If you've ever dreamed of looking like a Victoria's Secret angel, this Glam in hair are your wings. I am Saloni and you're watching me on Be Beautiful. I religiously watch the Victoria's Secret runway and try to recreate the hair and the makeup and the walk. The walk I don't know, but I may have perfected the hair and makeup. So let's get into it. Luminous glowing skin, blush cheeks, ultra glossy eyelid and a glossy pink lip combo. Let's start with the skin prep because that's going to give you that extra glow. I've been watching the Victoria's Secret show since 2016, back when Jasmine Turks wore the fantasy bra, and this year she walked pregnant. That's been a full circle moment for me. Starting with the base, I'll go in with the primer. Also, Pat McGrath did the makeup. Such an icon. Speaking of icons, I will also start with my foundation and concealer as the main canvas. Also, can we talk about Neelam Gill? It was her second year and she killed it on the runway. Like, she has been receiving so much praise. Well deserved, honestly. A lot of people skip this next step but don't. I'm going to go with the loose setting powder in Ivory. Adriana Lima and Candice Swanepoel. I don't think I can ever get tired of watching them on the runway, and I'm not gonna lie, I have literally watched every beauty interview they have done on the internet religiously. I mean, can you blame me? Okay, now for my favorite part, the eyes. Angel Reese and Paloma Elsisa were the two new faces. Reese is a professional athlete, I bet you didn't know that, and Paloma is a plus-size model. I feel like the shift in the industry being adopted by Victoria's Secret is big because so many young girls look up to the show and the faces on the show. Kajal and mascara. Also, Bella Hadid has bounced back. I love it. I love the red look. I think it was bold and a good play for her given her bounce back from her health journey as well. She looked really uncomfortable in the wings though. They were probably heavy but stunning regardless. I'm ending with the lip and cheek tint. Last mention of course to Missy Elliott and Carol G. And that is the final look. Let me know in the comments what makeup trends you'd like me to try next, and don't forget to like and follow Be Beautiful for more makeup tutorials. Thank you.